Okay, well here it is, finally getting delivered after a long wait. 68 Camaro comes home for its final prep before we take it on the highway. Ooh, look at that sunshine. Nice day to get your car back. Ooh, boy, does that thing gleam. Well, the Camaro's back in the shop, and all I can tell you is it's been a long haul, and it just looks fantastic. I mean, it's just, wow. The work, the quality of the work, the paint. I don't know if I mentioned to you, the black was PPG, and it's $800 a gallon. $800 a gallon. I thought $60 a gallon for house paint was a lot, but Frankfurth and Sequim did all the work, and it was well worth the wait. Still have to do lots of little stuff. The interior needs some work, and I gotta still put the ECU in. The glove boxes hasn't been completed, but he wanted to get it to me as quick as possible. So it's just stunning. Just a stunning paint job. I'm really happy. I've never done a frame off before, and I think that's the only way to go. So thanks for watching, and next time we'll give you some video for driving it on the road. Thanks for watching.